at that view, man. There's so many mountains. I think so I'll make a separate video only from Panchgani to Mahad. There's so much to show you all, guys. First petrol pump I stopped, he said GPay is not there. My wallet was in the bag, which is tied up full tight. Second petrol pump said they can give only 200 rupees petrol.
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे.
My bike will start judging me, bro, if I put only 200 rupees petrol. That too I'm going from where? Mahad to Mumbai. पागल हो गया क्या? 200 रुपए डाल रहा है गरीब साला. Sure, outside this side nothing much is there. I parked the bike there at the end. So room, no, this is the best. So, oops, sorry, wrong eyes. ना गियर पहन के चलने पड़े. Pull up hands on top like this. You put this left leg on top. Put the right leg over like this. ऐसा बैठने का. And now I forgot something. I have to test the camera angle. Goodbye place. Beautiful place. Let's go back to Mumbai. Steep slope. And this is how you exit a small internal village. Now this decides my fate. If I take left, then I'll have to go through the Lonavala ka traffic. And if I take right, no traffic. My backpack says go right. Let's go right.
3 hours later.
It's 66, dude. What the f is going on? Seriously. One more bad stretch of roads. मैं नहीं वो. Now we crossed Veena Lake. We're reaching Mahabaleshwar soon. Then we have to follow the road down, connect to Mahad, take a right, straight Mumbai via NH66. All this ghats have to take, and then we reach Mahad, and then from there another straight roads then. But nice roads, you know, nice view. Look at these roads, man, so beautiful. This ghat somewhat reminds me of Amboli Ghat. Very similar features. One side dead, other side if you fall down you'll break your head on the stone, which is much better than falling down this road. My god, look at that, man, look at that. Now it's mostly downhill, so I'll just go easy on the throttle. Why this bus is on my ass? I don't want him to be behind me because on the left I go slow. So I have to overtake that car. I'm not even kidding, bro. On my Gixxer SF 150 I would be faster than this bike. Because I can't corner on the left hand side. It will scrape. Okay, it didn't scrape. Mumbai is not down there. The side stand scrape. What I was scared of. It's okay as long as it doesn't drop me off the bike. I'm fine if it scrapes. But लगता है थोड़ा. Respect the mountains, respect the road. Let's overtake them one at a time. The only reason I don't like to ride behind cars in the ghats is because I can't see the bad roads ahead of the car. See the monkeys. I would have overtaken him long time back, but I can't corner on the left. That is the problem. So one mountain's ascent and descent is done already. So right now we are going down, and I don't know if I'm getting another mountain on the way or this will take us straight out to Mahad. Let's see. Looks like there's another ghat section, but that's okay. Better view. This road is much better than exiting Mahabaleshwar, because from Panchgani if you go back down towards Vai, then you'll get more traffic over there, because today is a Sunday evening, and then you'll enter Pune through that Dehu road, even more traffic because today is Sunday, and then you enter in Lonavala, there's even more traffic also because today is Sunday evening. That too, everyone is heading back from their long weekend just like me. Moments like these, just want to pause and take a break. But if I keep continuing to take breaks in the ghat like this, I'll have to do the ghat in the night, bro. नहीं करने का वो सब. But you can just see the view, right? Not even kidding, bro. My left eye is there on the road and my right eye is there, like that. I'm squinted like a chameleon over here. खाने हैं become. बट कंटेंट के लिए तो कुछ भी करेगा भाई. कंटेंट ढूंढने का है, कंटेंट. ए भाई, ए भाई, एनी ओवरटेकिंग पॉइंट इज देयर फॉर मी? I don't even know the names of one of these mountains. Sun, let's have some fun. The roads are very nice. Next time I'll take the Sunni road. I won't take the stupid Pune Lonavala road and go. Okay. Why do I open my mouth at the wrong time always? One bad section of the road. Oh, it's a straight death. See, that's the road. Roads are good actually. Just that these roads are bad because of the landslides and some stones which fall down, I guess. Look at these roads, bro. Look at these roads. See, you can see this ghat. Zoom, 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 zoom. Like 5-6 hairpins, like, they just throw it on the ground and like, let's make a road out of this. This is called a straight death. Hey, see me in the shadow. Hi. More twisty turnies. I know, I think so. That's the way. I don't know. Don't want to get my hopes too high. I think so. Mahad is coming close by, and if it is, then it's very nice. Then I'm done with the riding on the ghats. I can just ride on the straight road, and it'll be freedom. Let's enjoy the ghats before we exit the ghats. Slowly, slowly. I had to overtake him, otherwise that bus car tire will throw out all the dirt on the face. Not dirt, cement and gravel. Oh, this definitely looks like a river. I want to take this road, especially during the rainy season time. Best. I feel it will give the best views. Second petrol pump I stop, and now they're saying only 200 rupees ka petrol is left. She told me 200 rupees ka petrol left and 2 cars are standing behind her. Why she said for me 200 rupees petrol is left? It's okay, don't give. Find another petrol pump. On the highway, I'll definitely find. We are on the NH66 rasta now. अभी यहाँ से straight मुंबई. No नाटक. Straight मुंबई. सीधा मुंबई जाने का. Another 4 hours, 49 minutes more. Now the journey will go faster, because can you see those roads? Can you see those roads there? And finally we are touching NH66. Let's go. fairly good roads. NH66. शांत रहे भाई अभी थोड़ा टाइम के लिए. Stop for Ganna juice, but all I want to say is that these roads are very similar. I've done these roads before, so I don't want to bore you all with the same old boring content.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?